Yeah, I haven't drank clear liquor since I was a teenager. Never been a fan. All right, let's see what they got Fireball for a handle. 28 bucks. I would say that's the going rate. Yo, Fireball and OJ will be hitting different. Yo, let's see if they have Heaven Hill. Heaven Hill is like a cheaper version of Jack Daniels. I used to drink that stuff heavy too. Or E&J. And I don't see any E&J. This place is probably too classy for E&J. Yeah, if you ever drink E&J, it's out of control. Knob Creek, what? Yeah, Knob Creek is one of my favorite whiskey. Probably gonna buy a bottle soon. It's so worth the money. It's aged well too. Look at the proof.